Happy birthday, Gabby.
Happy to you.
Mamaya darating na yung
To you.
malaki mong cake.
To you.
Kasama si Barney. Gusto mo? Sabi ng daddy, bili daw kita ng Barney cake. Madaming candle. Papa-thank you ka sa daddy mo, okay? May mga balloon pa. Gusto mo? Ilan balloon gusto mo? Ilan balloon? Daming balloon? Nandiyan na yung balloon mo. Madami. May Barney. Gusto mo? Tsaka yung cake na malaki. May Barney din. Gusto mo, anak? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gabby. Kiss mo na, mom. I love you. I love you, anak. Kiss mom. I love you. Say, I love you to daddy din. I love you, daddy. Sabihin mo. We love you, daddy. We miss you. What time is it? It's 12:30, Gabby. Gabby, 2 years old na ang baby. Hindi pa natutulog. 12:00 na. Sino may birthday? Taas sa kamay. Yehey! Anong gusto mo bukas? Barney? Barney cake? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Bigayin sa atin ng dad, okay? You say thank you, daddy.
Daddy.
I love you. We love you, dad.
Love you.